Hi guys, today I'll show you how to fix mobile data not working on your phone even when mobile data is already turned on. Before spending too much time on advanced fixes, quickly check a few basic things first. Make sure your SIM card is active. Confirm that your data plan has not expired. Check that your daily or monthly data limit is not exhausted. Ensure Wi-Fi is turned off while testing mobile data. You can also remove the SIM card and insert it again if the phone still cannot connect to the network. If these quick steps don't work, follow these advanced fixes. The first fix is restarting your phone. This may sound simple, but it actually solves many mobile network issues. Restarting the phone clears temporary system glitches and resets the cellular connection. So press the power button, select restart, and once the phone turns back on, check if mobile data is working again. The second fix is toggling airplane mode. This forces your phone to disconnect from the mobile network and reconnect again. Open the quick settings panel on your phone. Turn airplane mode on. Wait about 10 seconds, then turn airplane mode off. After that, give your phone a few seconds to reconnect to the network and test mobile data again. The third fix is turning off Wi-Fi and refreshing mobile data. Sometimes Wi-Fi can hide whether mobile data is actually connecting. First, turn Wi-Fi off completely. Then go to settings and find mobile data. Turn mobile data off. Wait a few seconds. Then turn mobile data on again. This refreshes the data connection with your carrier. The fourth thing you should check is network coverage. Look at the signal indicator on your phone. You should see something like 4G, LTE, 5G, 3G or H next to the signal bars. If you don't see a data indicator, you might be in an area with no mobile data coverage. Try moving to a different location. Go near a window or outside and check again. Sometimes the issue is simply weak signal. The fifth fix is checking the correct SIM card for mobile data. This is important if your phone has two SIM cards. Sometimes the wrong SIM is selected for mobile data. To check this, open settings, go to connections, tap SIM card manager, then open mobile data. Now select the correct SIM card, either SIM 1 or SIM 2, depending on which one has your data plan. The sixth fix is resetting the APN settings. APN stands for access point name and it contains the network configuration your phone needs to connect to your carrier's internet. If these settings become incorrect, mobile data may stop working. To reset APN, open settings, go to connections, then mobile networks. Tap access point names. Now tap the three-dot menu in the top corner. Select reset to default. After resetting, your phone will reload the correct network settings from your carrier. The seventh fix is resetting network settings. This clears all network related configurations on your phone. It resets Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile network settings. Open settings, go to general management or system. Tap reset. Then choose reset network settings. Confirm the reset. After that, restart your phone and check mobile data again. If none of these fixes work, the problem may be related to your carrier network, SIM card or account provisioning. In that case, the best option is to contact your mobile provider and ask them to check your SIM and network connection.